Now, a tornado warning has been issued just south of our viewing area.
Jay Cardosi's in the Weather Center tracking the latest. And Jay, will it be moving closer to us?
Yeah, Rick, Vicky, it's going to stay south of Louisville. It's likely going to stay south of the parkways, but it is moving into our far southern communities. So we're going to give you a good idea as to what's going on. Here it is. This is a tornado warning in effect for about the southeastern 3/4 of Hart County. This goes until 11:45. And keep in mind, this is radar indicated at this point in time, as we do have a pretty intense squall line that has developed. We were talking about this earlier. We're watching out for the potential for a squall line to form, and there it is, now basically south of the parkways. There's E-Town, Hodgenville, and here's Hart County right there. Matter of fact, let me zoom in on this particular area for you. This is heading towards Munfordville. So if you're watching from Munfordville, if you're watching from Bonnieville, if you're watching from places like Canmer and also Kessinger, get into your basement right now. Stay there until the danger has passed. You can see a kind of a little bit backward sea trying to form here as this storm is coming out of the Brownsville area. This thing is racing off towards the northeast at speeds of around 45 miles per hour. We'll show you some of the velocities here with this thing. And yeah, there is a little bit of rotation certainly showing up in this particular cell. As a matter of fact, what I want to do here is point it out to you, and you can see this area brighter green right there. Those are winds that are blowing towards the top portion of your TV set. And then the darker shades of green indicate that we have winds blowing in the opposite direction. So we do have a lot of shear going on in this general area. That's why the tornado warning has been issued. And as I mentioned, this thing is moving pretty rapidly off towards the northeast at speeds of around 45 miles an hour. Now I'm going to track the most dangerous part of this cell, and that would be the rotation right about there, carrying its way off towards the northeast quite rapidly. So if you are in the path of this storm, I want you to get to your basement and stay there until the danger has passed. If you don't have a basement, lowest level of your house in an interior room. This will be impacting Munfordville after 11 o'clock tonight, Eastern Standard Time, about 11:15 or so. The Canmer area around 11:23. And Powder Mill right around 11:29. Now, if this maintains its circulation, its intensity, it's going to be heading towards places like Greene County, maybe even Taylor County here in relatively short order. So if you are anywhere south of the parkways from Hart County and points off to the east, please stay in your basement. Especially in Hart County, until the danger has passed, as you again are underneath a tornado warning for the next several minutes, and that goes until 11:45. Pull out, we'll take a look at all the viewing area here for you now. The storms are going to be staying off to the south of Louisville. Louisville will not be getting any severe weather overnight tonight. It's basically from near E-Town, Bardstown, but especially as you go farther off to our south. So it's our southeastern communities that will be under the gun for the possibility of some damaging wind gusts on an isolated to scattered basis, and even the potential for a weak tornado spin-up. And right now, that is certainly alive and well as you go a little bit farther off to the south, mainly here in Hart County. So we'll be watching places like Marion County, Taylor County, Greene County over the next 1 to maybe 2 hours as this line continues to rotate its way off towards the east and northeast. Still some heavy rainfall around Louisville, but Vicky, Rick, that rain will be lightening up, especially after midnight as everything pulls off to the east. I'm going to go check out some of the latest data coming in, check out some of the wires and some of the storm spotter information, guys. I'll be back with you here in just a second. In the interim, let's get it over to you for all the day's news, guys.
All right, thank you, Jay.